Namaskar. Now we will learn a very interesting operator called membership checking operator. Right? Membership checking means basically containership. If something is present inside some other entity. So there are two such operators, in and not in. Right? So I'll specify like this, in and not in. And there are two such operators, so I will write 2. Suppose we declare a string called Python in capital letters is equal to x, so x is equal to Python. If we check for p in x, so capital P is present in Python, so obviously this will be true. And if I print for p in x, it will print true. If I print on in x, so on is a substring. So this is a substring check is also possible. That means multiple characters together. So this will also be true. Substring check possible. And if I check for a small p, so this kind of checking is membership checking is case sensitive. That means small p and capital P are taken differently. So if I check for a small p, then p not in x will be true because this is case sensitive. So this will be true. Now this we did for string. Let us understand it for a list. We can do the same thing for a list also. So if print 1 in A, so A is this list 1, 2, 3, 2. So 1 in A is present. So checking within this list will be true. Right? But interestingly, if I try to check for this subset, B is 1, 2, and if I try to check 1, 2 in this list, this will be false. Because subset checking in list is done differently. Because it will be checking for this, whether this sublist is there entirely in this or not. So if I am having this kind of configuration, 1, 2 within this, a list within list, then this will be true. But we are checking for this kind of configuration. Right? So for this configuration, this will be false. And suppose if we thinking that if we make this as a string and this is a number, so number and string will not match. So this will be false. Even if it is looks to be same value, but they will not match. So clearly this all will be true, 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 true 4 times. Then these two will be false. So this is the result. Okay. Now suppose I do some AI work on this. I did some work on this. Tell me more about in and not in operators for membership in various sequences like strings, lists, tuples and sets. Here is a detailed explanation. So since it gave examples within this area. I can even run this example. So it did it for string the way I did, it did it for list, and this also multiple numbers check list did it for tuples. Within sets, it did it for strings within set. Then this sublist example also it explained that this will not work. So this kind of result has come for this one. So you can, this AI can prepare examples also for you. Interesting? So you can ask further questions to me in comments and please do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.